Briefing. Wayne Tseng, an Australian citizen of Chinese descent, is participating in the 2020 Melbourne mayoral election. He has extensive professional experience and has made achievements in both politics and business. Tseng has proposed a series of policy initiatives aimed at reforming Melbourne's municipal governance. At the core of his platform is the establishment of a participatory democracy framework, allowing citizens to directly submit their demands and suggestions to the city government and participate in policy making. He believes that this Democracy 2.0 model can better reflect the needs of a diverse society, rather than simply adhering to majority rule. Additionally, Tseng has put forward several specific measures, including 1. Comprehensive digital transformation to enhance municipal efficiency and responsiveness, such as establishing smart traffic systems and pandemic monitoring teams. 2. Reforming the municipal tax calculation method to alleviate the tax burden on vacant properties. 3. Attracting emerging industries to become a regional financial center and trade hub. 4. Improving urban infrastructure and public services to cater to the needs of various groups. 5. Protecting and preserving Indigenous culture, making Melbourne a centre for Indigenous affairs. Overall, Tseng's reform proposals aim to make Melbourne a smarter, more inclusive, and prosperous city. He emphasizes that this requires broad citizen participation rather than being dominated by a few elites. This concept of collective governance may point to a new direction for future social development. Bitcoin, BTC, price briefing. December 22, 2024. 1. The current trading price of Bitcoin is 13% lower than its historical peak, approximately $108,000, marking the largest decline since Donald Trump was elected as the U.S. presidential candidate in early November. 2. Long-term holders, LTHs, are selling off their Bitcoin, contributing to this price drop. LTHs have reduced their holdings by approximately 1 million Bitcoin over the past week, from 142,000 in mid-September to 132,000. 3. In contrast, short-term holders, SDHs, have accumulated about 1.3 million Bitcoin during the same period. However, the selling pace of LTHs has outstripped the buying of SDHs, causing the price to drop to around $94,500. 4. The current circulating supply of Bitcoin is 198,000, with an additional 28,000 stored on exchanges, although this number is declining, as approximately 200,000 Bitcoin have exited exchanges in recent months. 5. In the coming days, the trading behavior of LTHs and SDHs will be key factors in determining the price trend of Bitcoin. December 22, 2024 briefing. Solana blockchain activity hits new highs. Key points. 1. The European Union plans to train hundreds of Somali security forces and may expand its anti-piracy operations off the coast of Somalia to stabilize the region. 2. Somali pirates have attacked hundreds of vessels in recent years and are expanding their operational range. The EU is considering broadening its anti-piracy efforts, including targeting Somali ports and mother ships. 3. In the cryptocurrency sector, the Solana blockchain has become the preferred choice for retail investors during the 2024 cryptocurrency bull market, leading in both trading volume and active addresses compared to other major blockchains. 4. On November 18, the Pudgy Penguins NFT project on the Solana blockchain launched its native token Pengu, resulting in a total trading volume of 66.9 million transactions on that day, setting a new historical record. Pengu's market capitalization briefly reached $2.3 billion. 5. The SOL token of Solana rose 3.2% to $229 on that day, but later retreated to $217, possibly reflecting investors' cautious attitudes ahead of the Federal Reserve's interest rate decision. In summary, the Solana blockchain is currently highly active, emerging as a dark horse in the cryptocurrency market, and its future developments warrant close attention. December 22, 2024 briefing. Craig Wright sentenced to 1 year in prison, 2 years probation. Key points. 1. Computer scientist and entrepreneur Craig Wright has been sentenced to 1 year in prison, 2 years probation, and fined $180,000 for contempt of court. 2. Wright has repeatedly claimed to be Satoshi Nakamoto, the creator of Bitcoin, but has failed to provide conclusive evidence. In March of this year, the High Court in London ruled that he is not Satoshi Nakamoto. He has since continued to sue cryptocurrency companies, claiming Bitcoin is his intellectual property. 3. The Crypto Open Patent Alliance, COPA, sued Wright for violating a court order that prohibits him from filing lawsuits in the name of Satoshi Nakamoto. The court deemed Wright's actions as legal terrorism, causing personal hell for others. 4. If Wright continues to claim he is Satoshi Nakamoto, he faces 3 years in prison. The court stated that even if he is currently overseas, an international arrest warrant may be issued. 5. The year 2024 is significant in Bitcoin's history, as its price first surpassed the $100,000 mark and entered the Wall Street ETF market. However, the identity of Satoshi Nakamoto remains a mystery. In conclusion, the court has thoroughly rejected Craig Wright's claims of being Satoshi Nakamoto, and he faces severe legal consequences, marking the end of this long-standing controversy. Bitcoin has made significant progress in 2024, but the identity of its creator remains an unresolved enigma. December 22, 2024 briefing, Vitalik Buterin's vision for Web3 wallets. Key information. 1. Vitalik Buterin has proposed suggestions to improve the security and privacy of Web3 wallets. Integrating privacy features directly into all Web3 wallets rather than relying on specialized privacy wallets. Adding multi-signature authorization to wallets to enhance transaction security. Simplifying transfers across Layer 2 networks and proposing a new address format. 2. Buterin emphasized that users can only truly benefit from Ethereum and its applications if the wallets themselves possess decentralization, censorship resistance, security, and privacy features. 3. These suggestions mark a significant evolution in Web3 wallets, prioritizing security and usability in development. 4. Meanwhile, the emerging meme coin Dogen is generating significant market buzz, with expectations of an astonishing 20,000% growth in this bull market. 5. Dogen is positioned as a meme coin for alpha males, emphasizing a luxurious lifestyle and offering a multi-tiered promotional rewards program. 6. In contrast, other meme coins like SHIB and Bonk, while also showing some growth potential, have limited room for growth compared to Dogen. In summary, Vitalik Buterin's innovative vision for Web3 wallets sets a new standard for the entire cryptocurrency industry. At the same time, the highly anticipated Dogen meme coin, with its unique positioning and community-driven characteristics, is poised for breakthrough performance in this bull market, potentially becoming the new darling of the market. December 22, 2024 briefing, Changpeng Zhao, the new crypto billionaire. Summary. 1. Changpeng Zhao is currently the richest cryptocurrency billionaire, with a net worth exceeding $67 billion, 3.5 times that of the second richest cryptocurrency billionaire. 2. The price of Bitcoin surpassed the $100,000 mark in 2024, driving a significant increase in the overall cryptocurrency market size, leading to a substantial rise in the number of cryptocurrency billionaires and millionaires. 3. The United States has the highest number of cryptocurrency billionaires, accounting for 2/3 of the total. Other countries like Italy and Canada have also contributed a significant number of cryptocurrency billionaires. 4. Changpeng Zhao's net worth increased by 105% from March to December 2024, reaching $67 billion, making him one of the cryptocurrency billionaires with the largest growth. 5. Changpeng Zhao predicts that there is still significant upside potential for Bitcoin's price, which could reach $850,000, transitioning from a speculative tool to a mainstream payment method. In conclusion, Changpeng Zhao has become the richest cryptocurrency billionaire due to the rapid growth of the Binance exchange, with his wealth growth being remarkable. As Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies continue to appreciate and expand their use cases, Zhao and his peers' fortunes are expected to grow further. The following is a briefing based on the provided article content. Coinbase CEO Brian Armstrong criticized the performance of SEC Commissioner Caroline A. Crenshaw, calling on the Senate Banking Committee not to renew her term. Armstrong pointed out that Crenshaw had attempted to obstruct the approval of a Bitcoin ETF, and her performance on certain issues was even worse than that of SEC Chair Gary Gensler. Armstrong stated that the cryptocurrency community is closely watching this vote and will incorporate this factor into the Stand with Crypto Politician scorecard. Stand with Crypto is a digital asset advocacy organization supported by Coinbase. Crenshaw, a Democrat nominated by former President Trump and unanimously confirmed by the Senate in 2020, will see her term expire this year. In January of this year, she opposed the SEC's approval of a spot Bitcoin ETF, calling the decision untenable and contrary to history. Reports indicate that the Senate Banking Committee will vote on Crenshaw's reappointment this Wednesday. No more than 3 members of the 5-member SEC can come from the same political party. Currently, there are 3 Democratic and 2 Republican commissioners on the SEC, although Chair Gensler and Commissioner Lizarraga, both Democrats, have announced they will resign in early 2025. In summary, this article focuses on Coinbase CEO Brian Armstrong's criticism of SEC Commissioner Crenshaw and the upcoming vote on her reappointment. The article highlights Armstrong's views and the cryptocurrency community's concerns while also introducing Crenshaw's background and the political landscape of the SEC overall. The article is rich in information and logically clear, providing readers with a comprehensive understanding. Briefing content. December 22, 2024. Subject: Charlie Lee. Charlie Lee is the rookie center for the Charlotte Hornets, making his return nearly a year after an injury during training camp. Despite limited playing time, he has excelled in his brief appearances, averaging 7.3 points, 4.3 rebounds, and 0.6 blocks per game. The Hornets coaching staff and training team have a clear plan for Lee's recovery. In his first game back, head coach Charles Lee stated that Lee's playing time would be strictly limited. In subsequent practices, Lee confirmed that his playing time would continue to be restricted to help him gradually adapt to the pace of the game and fully recover. Overall, although Lee's playing time is limited, his performance has already shown his potential, and the Hornets are cautiously managing his recovery process, hoping he can quickly return to peak form and contribute more significantly to the team. December 22, 2024 Briefing: Gavin Wood's new project Jam. Gavin Wood is the co-founder and CTO of the Ethereum project. He is a co-designer of the Ethereum protocol, author of the formal specification, and creator of the first functional Ethereum implementation. Dr. Wood designed and managed the Solidity language, served as the project lead for the IDE, and also designed and implemented the Whisper protocol. He has driven cutting-edge developments in analytical tools and programming languages, and co-founded several tech startups. Now, Dr. Wood is advancing a new ambitious project, the Polkadot protocol, which will connect public and private blockchains, enabling them to interoperate. This project can provide solutions for businesses looking to seamlessly connect with public blockchains while working on private ones. Web0 will host the Sub-Zero Reset Conference in Bangkok from November 9 to 11, 2024, inviting developers, investors, and innovators to participate and discuss Jam with Dr. Wood and industry leaders from Parity and the Web3 Foundation. Jam represents a new paradigm that paves the way for writing and securing Web3 applications. The conference will span 3 days. The first day will focus on education, the second on modularity, and the third on Jam and scalability. There will also be a 24-hour hackathon space, providing collaboration opportunities for new teams and a $10,000 prize. In summary, Gavin Wood is leading the Polkadot ecosystem forward, and the Jam project aims to address scalability and consistency challenges in Web3. The Sub-Zero Reset Conference will provide an important platform for developers to exchange ideas and collaborate. December 22, 2024 Briefing: Joseph Lubin, a versatile figure at the intersection of technology and finance. Joseph Lubin is a versatile figure in both technology and finance. After graduating from Princeton University with a degree in electrical engineering and computer science, he worked in various fields, including autonomous mobile robotics, machine vision, and artificial neural networks. He later participated in developing autonomous music creation tools and served as the director of the New York office of the software consulting firm Blacksmith. In the finance sector, Lubin worked at Goldman Sachs in software engineering, finance, and cryptography, and managed a series of hedge funds with partners. He later went to Jamaica to assist a friend in developing a music career. 2 years later, he was invited to join the Ethereum project. Overall, Lubin's career spans multiple fields, reflecting his versatile expertise and broad vision. His rich experiences in different areas have injected valuable insights and experience into the development of Ethereum. Briefing. Wu Jihan, the undisputed king of cryptocurrency mining machines and pools. Wu Jihan's Bitmain company is valued at $12 billion, making it one of the most valuable companies in the cryptocurrency industry. Wu Jihan is a strong supporter of Bitcoin Cash and led Bitmain in a $110 million investment in Circle. Wu Jihan has expressed interest in stablecoins, price-stable virtual currencies, and plans to diversify Bitmain's business by developing AI chips. Bitdeer Technology, a leader in cryptocurrency mining and AI cloud services. Bitdeer is a company that provides ASIC mining equipment and builds mining farms, while also developing AI and high-performance computing businesses. In the third quarter of 2024, Bitdeer generated $62 million in revenue, maintaining nearly $300 million in cash reserves, despite facing some short-term challenges, laying a foundation for future growth. Bitdeer is advancing the commercialization of its proprietary ASIC chip technology and plans to further expand its own computing power, which will provide the company with a long-term competitive advantage. In summary, Wu Jihan and Bitdeer Technology are significant players in the cryptocurrency and AI sectors, continuously consolidating their positions in the industry through technological innovation and business expansion. December 22, 2024 Briefing. Nick Szabo. Nick Szabo is a computer scientist and cryptographer, regarded as one of the pioneers of the Bitcoin concept. Although Szabo has never admitted to being Satoshi Nakamoto, his contributions to cryptography and blockchain technology are undeniable. In the 1990s, Szabo introduced the concept of smart contracts, laying the groundwork for later blockchain technology. He also participated in designing the digital currency, BitGold, which is seen as a precursor to Bitcoin. Szabo has maintained a low profile, rarely appearing in public, which has kept his identity a mystery. Despite his identity remaining unverified, Szabo's contributions to the fields of cryptography and blockchain have been widely recognized. He is hailed as the father of cryptography, having made groundbreaking work in the development of digital currencies and smart contracts. Szabo's ideas and research have laid an important foundation for the emergence of digital currencies like Bitcoin, profoundly impacting the entire blockchain industry. Andreas M. Antonopoulos Briefing. December 22, 2024. This briefing primarily focuses on Andreas M. Antonopoulos' recent 2 speeches. The first speech explored the rise of Axie Infinity, an Ethereum-based play-to-earn game, and its impact on the global metaverse economy. Axie Infinity is a game similar to Pokémon, where players can buy, breed, trade, and battle in-game non-fungible token (NFT) characters called Axies. The game has become particularly popular in the Philippines, where many people have earned real income from Axies, with some even quitting their jobs. Antonopoulos believes that Axie Infinity and its derivative loan programs raise ethical questions about geographic inequality in job opportunities. The second speech focused on the evolution of Bitcoin as a currency and commodity. Initially, Bitcoin was seen as a tool for everyday payments, but in 2013, the IRS classified it as a commodity rather than a currency, complicating transactions. Since then, the HODL mentality has prevailed, with people preferring to hold Bitcoin for future appreciation. However, the development of second-layer technologies, such as the Lightning Network, is making Bitcoin's use as legal tender a reality, with countries like El Salvador and Ukraine considering adoption. In summary, Antonopoulos' 2 speeches delved into the real-life applications of blockchain technology and presented thought-provoking viewpoints.